How to view ignored friend request on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you view ignored friend request on Snapchat. To do this, you want to first of all open your Snapchat application and log into your account. Next, you want to click on the Bitmoji icon from the top right hand side corner. Then you want to scroll down and go to the friends sections. Underneath, you want to click on add friends. After you go ahead and click on add friends, you could see your friend request and all that. So click on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner, and then you could go ahead and select or you could see these options, right? So click on friend requests I've ignored, click that out, and here you go. These are the friend requests that you've ignored. So this is how you'll be able to view the ignored friend request on Snapchat. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.